Here is our Menopur. This is a stimulation medication, and this will be administered subcutaneously in the belly or the thigh. Inside the big box, you will find a smaller box containing 5 vials of Menopur powder and 5 vials of diluent. If you are using more than 1 vial per evening, you will have extra vials of saline left. Also, inside your Menopur box, you will find a box of Q caps. This is going to help us out to be able to draw out the medication. The vials of Menopur powder come in 75 unit increments, so you can expect your dose to be a measurement of 75. For example, if you are assigned a dose of 150 units, you will need 2 vials of powder every evening. Even though each vial of powder does come with its own diluent, you still only need 1 diluent every evening. So everything else you can set to the side and use the subsequent night. Now that we have all of our supplies ready, we're ready to reconstitute our Menopur into liquid form. Please do not mix these up ahead of time. Allow yourself a few minutes prior to your scheduled dose to mix up the medication. You're going to take our diluent, snap the tops off, and do the same for our powder. First, you're going to take your 3 milliliter syringe and your Q cap. That lure locks into place. And no matter what your dose is, you will be able to use a 1/2 milliliter to reconstitute your Menopur powders. I'm going to drop to the 1/2 milliliter mark of air. And I'm going to take my vial of saline, push that on. You simply push and pull into place. No twisting needed. I'm going to push my air into the vial, and I'm going to turn upside down, and I'm going to take my 1/2 milliliter of saline. I can set that to the side because a 1/2 milliliter is all I need. My first vial of Menopur, there's 75 units in there. I'm going to push my Q cap on, and I'm going to push my saline into that vial of powder, and then I will gently roll it between my palms to dissolve the medication. Once it's dissolved, it will be clear and not cloudy. I am going to pull out everything in that vial, and I double check that my vial is empty. You may see a drop stuck in there, but that's okay. So now here we have 75 units of Menopur dissolved, reconstituted, and mixed up into the syringe. But if my dose is 150, we'll still need 75 units more. So what we're going to do is going to take that second vial of powder, push that Q cap on, push my liquid in, and now it is the same volume, the same 1/2 milliliter, but now instead of 75 units of Menopur, it contains 150 units. I ensure that it's dissolved and it's clear, and I'm going to go ahead and take everything out. If you have any air bubbles, I just knock against the side to make sure that floats up to the top. And then I can remove my vial, and I make sure that it's empty, and in fact all my medication is in the syringe. If you do see a tiny air bubble at the surface, that is okay. Nothing is going to hurt you subcutaneously. Since we're ready for injection now, we will simply twist off the Q cap, and we're going to take our small subcutaneous needle, and we're going to twist that on its place. We're ready for injection, so this will be subcutaneous in the belly or the thigh. At the injection site, please clean the skin with an alcohol swab in an outward circular motion and let it air dry for a few seconds. We're now ready, so you'll pinch the skin. You're going to go straight in perpendicular to the skin, release the pinch, and then you can administer the injection.